Hi, this is Keith. I am about to unbox a tool that I learned about called the Mini-Ductor Venom through Induction Innovations. And I'm going to try to crack some bolts, some vehicle lugs that have been on a trailer for well over 30 years and stored outside. So this should be pretty exciting. So bear with me here. I am not a mechanic. We'll see what happens. So here's my tool. This is the Mini-Ductor Venom, like I said, by Induction Innovations. And they're out of Elgin, Illinois. Let's take this thing out here and see what we get. Comes in a really nice handy case. Sorry, I'm going to try and do this while holding the camera. Don't get mad at me if the audio stinks. Do that. And do that. Alrighty, so here she is. Looks like a hairdryer. And then here's some of the coils that come with it. And the instructions, which I already read. And then here's some supplemental coils of various sizes. They come in a nice tube for about 80 bucks, 90 bucks I think, shipped. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I'm going to do some sizing up and we'll go from there. So, according to the company, on something in this bad a shape, 30 to 45 seconds is about what we should do. I want to let you know too, I have not treated these with any kind of rust break-free type chemistry. All I've done is plugged in the Mini-Ductor and turned this thing on. So there's my 45 seconds. I'm assuming it's hot. Alright, let's take that off. I can feel the heat on there. I don't have any leverage here. This will be exciting. The right size? Nope. There we go. Alright. Wow! Holy cow. Look at that. That came off unbelievable. Let's try that. There's the frozen. Alright, let's try that again. Wow. That's absolutely amazing. These things haven't been off in at least 20 years based on the guy who built this thing. And he thinks it might be as long as 30 years. Because these were old axles that were sitting around outside that he just decided to put and make a wooden flatbed tractor towable trailer for hauling stuff around a farm. That is amazing. "30 seconds in, let's see what we get here." Oh my gosh, that is too easy. I can't even get lug nuts off a car that easy. Unbelievable. I can't believe these work this easy. This is, I mean, I don't understand the physics, but I don't need to. I know it works, and that's incredible. Alright, let's see what happens here. 2 in a row. Oh my gosh, that was too easy. Oh, wow. Well, look at that. That is just incredible. You know, that's the lugs are still in good condition. The nuts are still in good condition. Obviously, I'm getting these tires off because the rubber is just horrible dry rot, and I don't think they'll take a load anymore. So Life on the farm just got a lot easier.